Finally, I got the forest, and we have some stuff I saved, as you can see, and I just deleted all my stuff. What are you doing, pigeons? Pigeons? Ah, die. I'm just gonna have like a pile of pigeons. oh, parkour. Ah! Yeah, let's make a pile of pigeons. Alright, why are there so many pigeons? This is the birdhouse. Get off of here. Look at that. Ooh, parkour. Die. Get off. What the heck is wrong with this? My house is just like covered in seagulls. Hey, get off here. Get off. Alright, let's cut some trees and get some sticks. What is that? Rocks? Could I like break a tree with this stick? Or chop a tree down? No. Get more sticks. I have so many sticks. 8 sticks. Alright, let's chop this. Come on, chop it. What the heck? That looks so weird. Oh, yeah. Oh, fall down. Oh, crap. Spike. Alright, let's grab these. Can only grab 2. Oh, there are seagull decorations. Which is nice. Alright, put it in there. Grab logs. Gotta break these trees. Let's go. What the? I just realized there's something wrong with my base. Look at that, it's going into the sand. Oh, what the heck? I thought that little bush was like... Alright, let's build something. I can barely even see it. What's wrong with these things? That just looks weird. What the heck? Alright. Let's get these logs. So small. Ah! No, cannibals! Don't eat me. I'm not for eating. What the heck? Don't take over the base. Ah! Oh crap. Oh, that scared me. What the heck? Don't come near me. I could walk underwater? Oh, well, you can't catch me. I can't swing underwater. Oh, what's up? What's up? Where did he go? Ever catch me? Okay, that's... How does this work? A lighter underwater. I can't even swing underwater.